Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Lori, and I have lots of prophetic words today. Are you listening? God's knocking on the heart, your heart. Are you ready for God? He's waiting for you. Have you given yourself over to Christ yet? In these end times, we need to be really cognizant of our life and our future and our life after death. He's searching for people right now. He's searching for warriors for him, for his kingdom. Because as you know, there's the kingdom of light and there's the kingdom of darkness. We just have to make the decision. Have you decided? I'm going to paraphrase, but you can't be in both camps. And I can't remember where that is in the Bible, but you can't have your foot in the light and one foot in the dark. You have to decide. He's waiting for you. Are you going to take him up on it? All you have to do is ask God for forgiveness. Ask Jesus to forgive you for all your sins and start on your journey. Thank you.